This video, this video is about of standard time to the corresponding time and the Peregrino Sinis time, the future chronograph. Peregrino Sinis time, the future chronograph. So, here is our clock illustration. 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, and 10 o'clock. Peregrino Sinis time clock have only 10 o'clock. 1 is 10 per seconds or 10 per minutes. 2 is 20 per seconds or 20 per minutes. 3 is 30 per seconds or 30 per minutes. 4 is 40 per seconds or 40 per minutes. 5 is 50 per seconds or 50 per minutes. And the 6 is 60. The 7 is 70. The 8 is 80. The 9 is 90. And the 10 is 100. And the time is 6:44:17 Peregrino Sinis time, or 6 per hours, 44 per minutes, and 17 per seconds. In the Peregrino Sinis time, the future chronograph, you can easily calculate the time manually or by using calculator. Because the Peregrino Sinis time, the future chronograph, is decimalized time and metric time. In the Peregrino Sinis time, 100 per seconds is 1 per minute. Then 100 per minutes is 1 per hour. So, 1 per minute contains of 100 per seconds. And 1 per hour contains of 100 per minutes. So, the one complete day of the Peregrino Sinis time. Peregrino Sinis time, the future chronograph, 1 complete day. 1 complete day is equal to 20 per hours. Okay? Okay. Time equivalent. Time equivalent, Peregrino Sinis time to standard time. 1 per hour, Peregrino Sinis time is equal to 1.2 hour standard time. 1 per minute, Peregrino Sinis time is equal to 0.72 minute standard time. And 1 per second, Peregrino Sinis time is equal to 0.432 second standard time. So, the time zones. Okay. Peregrino Sinis time, the future chronograph, time zones. 0 degrees is 1 o'clock noon. Alas 10 ng tanghaling tapat. Alas 10 sa udtong tutok. 180 degrees longitude wide is 10 o'clock midnight. Alas 10 ng hating gabi. Alas 10 sa tungang gabi. The 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock p.m. And the other side of the time zones, 90 degrees longitude wide is 5 o'clock p.m. Okay, and now the standard time. And now the standard time and the corresponding time in the Peregrino Sinis time, the future chronograph. So the chart, equivalent chart. So our equivalent chart. Okay. 1 o'clock a.m. standard time is equal to 10:83:33 a.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. 2 o'clock a.m. Standard Time is equal to 1:66:66 a.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. 3 o'clock a.m. Standard Time is equal to 2:50 a.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. 2:30. Then, 4 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 3:33:33 a.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. Then 5 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 4:16:66 a.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. Then 6 a.m. Standard Time is equal to 5 o'clock p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. 5. So continue. 7 o'clock a.m. Standard Time is equal to 5:83:33 a.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. 8 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 6:66:66 a.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. And 9 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 7:50 a.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. 7:30. Then 10 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 8:33 a.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. And 11 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 9:66 a.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. And 12 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 10 o'clock p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. Tanghaling tapat, udtong tutok. Okay. So, continue. 1 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 10:83:33 p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. Then 2 o'clock Standard Time is equal to 1:66:66 p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. Then 3 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 2:50 p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. 2:30 sa hapon. 4 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 3:33:33 p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. And 5 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 4:16:66 p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. Then 6 p.m. Standard Time is equal to 5 o'clock p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. So continue. Daik. 7 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 5:83:33 p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. Then 8 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 6:66:66 p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. Then 9 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 7:50 p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. 7:30 Peregrino Sinis Time. Then 10 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 8:33 p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. Then 11 o'clock Standard Time is equal to 9:66 p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. Then 12 o'clock p.m. Standard Time is equal to 10 o'clock p.m. Peregrino Sinis Time. 10:00 ng hating gabi. alas 10 sa tungang gabi, 10 o'clock midnight. Okay. So, that's all, and thank you so much.